Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be covering factory method pattern. I can say factory pattern. This pattern is quite useful in languages like Java, where you have classes and where you need to create objects. And basically, creating an object might be a little bit complicated because the class of the object in consideration has a lot of properties, methods, etc. and all. And there's a lot of logic involved of what kind of object you want to create. But in JavaScript, honestly speaking, we have very easy way to create objects. But I'll be just showing you this pattern for the complete for understanding, I guess. Let me know in the comments whether it really helps out, whether this kind of pattern and in what situations you might have encountered, whether it made sense to use this. Okay, but I'll be taking a very simple example here. Let me just create factory.js, export function, create user, name, email, role, let user equal to name, email, and let me check whether the role is admin. If it is, then I'll just write in the add one more property here named admin. Else okay, and let me use it. Honestly speaking, this was not a very heavy pattern here. Okay, but just letting you know, like there are different ways of creating objects again. Instead of just using the new keyword, or otherwise you could, instead of going with object letter directly, there's other way also, which is, I think this is another way of, I think, calling it. I think factory function is more popular, I guess, the name, I guess, for this pattern, honestly speaking. But yeah, I think, let me know anyway in the comments whether it makes sense or not. But anyway, just I think whether this, just to be on the same page, what I'm doing is, like, I've created a user, and based on the role admin, I'm creating the different types of users. Okay, one is user 1, user 2, with this role is a deciding factor here. What could have been done is, like, instead of me hard coding it, I could have created another separate class of it, which had a lot more properties and methods and all, based on which we would have selected whether I return a type of an object of basically an instantiation of a type of a class user, or maybe an instantiation of a uh, class of admin, if you're getting my point. But I just went with a very brute force way in one way. Okay, just to let you know about it in simple terms. Okay, and that's it for this video, I guess. Okay, hope to see you in the next video, and bye.